Oh, it just crashed. Do not enter dangerous areas while playing. Hey trainers, today is the day we've been waiting for, and Pokemon Go has finally released on Apple Watch. So, I'm going to go over some tips on how to get that installed on your device. There, you can see it got successfully installed, and it wants me to open Pokemon Go on my phone. So I'm opening it on my phone. Allow Pokemon Go to also access your location even when you are not using the app. Allow Pokemon Go to write data and read data. And instead of clicking all of them, you can just turn all categories on or off there and hit allow. Open Pokemon Go on your phone. And maybe it just takes some time for it to figure it out. But not really. I decided to reset my devices, and as I was getting ready to reboot the watch, I decided to click on the cancel button, and my trainer profile showed up in the upper left corner. So now I'm going to let it reboot. It's still loading. Oh, it's so slow. There it is. The beautiful Pokemon Go logo. Awesome. There you can see my trainer profile has loaded. It says my level, how far I have to go on this egg. When you hit start, it has a timer, your calories, Pokemon that are nearby, your buddy Pokemon, how many eggs are incubating, and your distance walked. If you slide over, you can actually see your eggs and the distance on them. And that's all without the app even open. So now, open Pokemon Go. I expected it to be a little bit buggy, but here you can see my trainer. And it tells me a wild Paris has appeared. That's crazy exciting. And that's the closest Pokemon to me. I can dismiss it. Oh, and it tells me a wild Rattata has appeared. I can dismiss it, and I can even change settings. So I'll feel a tap on my wrist when Pokemon or Pokestops are nearby. I like both of those. And that's enough for this workout. So let's hit end. We get a little summary. We went for a minute and 0 steps. Awesome. Here's another cool feature. You can actually set your complication. And you can see my egg is 0.6 of 5 kilometers hatched. And you can alternatively put it in the corner, and it'll give you a countdown circumference. Either one or both.
Hooray! After 2 weeks of testing the Pokemon Go app on Apple Watch, I have to say it has great potential. It's still a little glitchy. The egg hatch animation hasn't once worked on my old model Apple Watch. I love that it tracks footsteps more accurately, although dislike that you have to be on an outdoor walk exercise. It's really nice when all I want to do is collect items from Pokestops, but not good to use at work because it's heavy on the battery. My wish is for it to someday be a better Go Plus device and catch Mon. I'd only recommend buying an Apple Watch if interested in it for the other features. Overall, I'm excited for what future versions might bring and grateful for a useful new app on my watch.
Boom. Team Valor, baby. That's right. It's hard to film and use my watch, I just realized.